Let's take a look at how you do the car loan portion. So your car's nearing the end of its life. You must purchase another one. Okay, you're not going to lease it. So it may be new or used. So you can go to cars.com to look up a car that you would like to buy. Remember, we're thinking when we get out of college. Okay, so right after we get out of college, what car are we going to want? So make it reasonable, right? I wouldn't do a $100,000 car here, but look up something reasonable, new or used, okay, and put down what the cost is. Okay, so if that's a $20,000 car, whatever that happens to be, make sure you insert the link of the car that you're purchasing here. Then decide, do you own a car right now? Okay, so if you do, that's fine, and we'll look up the cost of it. If you don't, then this would be a 0. Okay, so we're going to be looking up the trade-in value of the car. So when you do this trade-in value, okay, so if you currently own a 2012 Kia Optima, when you look it up in Kelley Blue Book to see what the trade-in value is, look up a 2006. Okay, do 6 years older, because you're thinking, you're going to be doing this in about 6 years. Okay, when you get out of college, so 5 or 6 years. So look up an older one. Okay, and then put what that trade-in value would be. Okay, so whatever they say, I'm going to say $2,500 here. So I want to buy a $20,000 car, and I've got $2,500 to trade in. So you would subtract those two numbers. Okay, so you do number 5 minus number 6, and that's what would give you your financed amount. So I need to borrow $17,500 to make up the difference. Car loans are generally done in 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 year loans. So pick one of those. Okay, so I'm going to do a 4-year loan. And then Google whatever the interest rate is for cars. Okay, for a 4-year loan. So whatever you picked. Okay, so Google something about that. So we could do that right now. Okay, so let's do average interest rate for a 4-year car loan. And it'll just tell you some different amounts. So let's see. Okay, so somewhere between 2.49 and 8. So I would say this one maybe. Okay, like 4%. So just Google something, put it in there. So let's do 4%. And then again, if you looked it up, you can just put from the bank of Google. So then you're going to put this into the calculator, into that calculator app on your phone. Okay, so easy calculator, and use the TVM one. I'm going to do it on the website version. Okay, so I'm just going to reset this. So we're financing $17,500. So that's the current value of the loan. We're going to look up the payment. We would like the future value of this loan to be 0 because we would like to pay it off. Our interest rate is 4%. And we're going to be paying this monthly for 4 years. So 4 times 12 is 48. And then click payment, and that will be your car payment. Okay, $395.13. So you can put that in there, and that's how you do the car loan.